In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Gemini AI with Google Calendar. Use go to settings. Want to enable productivity in workspace. And once you've done that, you'll be able to link them. And once you have linked them through Gemini, you'll need to go into settings and go for smart feature setting. So I've asked my meetings today, and it's given me a list of my 2 meetings today. You change your meetings, the times of your meetings. You can ask it to change any parameter of a meeting, really, from the name to the address to the time, etc. Then you've asked it, it will reply back to you, confirm it to make you a new meeting specified, and then from here you can ask it to book it into your calendar. You can even ask it to find you a link to Ticketmaster, and it will do. So yeah, the idea is that your own this. You can integrate AI, Google Calendars. I'll speak to you soon.